Alright guys, I'm going to try again the budget rifle and budget ammo challenge by Long Rifle. And I kind of worked this one up right here. You can either email me and I'll send you over a target, or go over to Long Rifle's website. It's mnshootingsports.com. He has all his targets up there. You can get it there. Savage Mark II FBSR, budget bolt action as you can get, you know, how still be fairly accurate. This time we're going to try it with a Predator Auto Match. Got a little bit of wind out here today, but we're going to see what we can do. Kind of sun rake my eyes as usual. But let me pause you here and set you up in the spotting scope, shooting 50 yards. Alrighty guys, I have two magazines here. I only have two magazines here. It's a gun. 5-rounder I'll put in here first, and I have a 10-rounder. And let's see what we can do. I'm not going to take any sighters. I know you got, sometimes kind of shining through there. It looks like a hole already through that first dot right there. Object is 3 shots per dot. At least touching inside, or at least touching outside, or whatever. You can kind of score it that way. Okay, I ain't gonna take a sighter. I'm just gonna. I already kind of did a little bit on another target before I started this video, but the barrel's probably cooled down, so we'll see here. I believe I got that one. I'm not sure on that one. I think I shot off to the side of that to the left of that one. Okay, next one over. Whoa. That flew down the low right. And that went up above. Oh, jeez. I had a 5-round magazine in there. One more of that middle target. That flew high also. Jeez, no hits on that one. The third one over. Went down below it. I think I got that one, I think. They tuned that one. I'm looking over that first one right there. I think I just got the very first target. I just got one hole, I think, in there. So that's two. That's three. Okay, next row down. Did that one. That's four. Did that one. That's five. That one, six on the roll. Next one over. Seven. I think I got that one. I think that's eight. That's a miss. Hey, I think I'm out here. Three more shots here. Okay, bottom target. It's a miss. That's a miss right beside that one. That was a miss one to blow it. Okay, I'm kind of looking through my scope here. He's on that first dot. I'm looking at right there. It's just got one hole right there. The third dot over, I got two, so that's three. Second row, the first dot on the second row right there, I got three in a row, so that's six. We got 7, 8 on the second row and the second right there. I don't like this phone as well as I do my old right there, because it's got like 3 camera lenses. So, you know, I'm going to kind of pause you here and see if I can get you where you can, maybe I can see this a little better here. Well, I have to walk all the way down there. Remember, 50 yards right there, it's all muddy and wet right now, and I walk with a cane. So usually I drive my truck down there. I don't want to get too rutted up down there. I already went down there with the truck once and put all the targets on. Right? Pause you here for a second. Okay, guys, like I say, on my phone here, on the camera, I have like 3 camera lenses. And if I go to like the middle camera lens, it does okay. You know, you see them first, and it goes somewhere, and I can't get any closer. Then if I slide my phone on over to the next lens right there, then I can come up really close right there. You can see on the first target right there, I got the first one up at the top there on the left. I got one hit, one off to the left and one down below it. So one hit. Missed all three on the middle target on top there. Then two hits on the end target there, so that's three. Drop down a row, we've got all three hits in the dot there, so that's six. And the next one over on the middle row right there. Yeah, we got two more hits. That's 7, 8. And then the bottom one completely missed everything. So 8 of them. Yeah, I think that's what I did with the, the Monarch ammo. All right, guys. You guys see what it is? Let me know what you think. You know, I get 2 top scores so far is Country Rimfire and Nibs with Walnut and Steel. All this right here. I ain't getting nowhere close to them. I keep on practicing. All right, let me know what you think, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.